What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Bluetooth Reaper Singer from Lowe's. Alright guys, so we are here. Last year I did the unboxing of the Guitar Reaper Singer Bluetooth. I did that completely wrong right there. But I sold that guy just because, well, I returned him just because I didn't really like him as much as I thought I would. But I do have the Singer, which I think I'm going to like a lot more. And I actually did want that guy back, but he was out of stock by the time I tried to go get him back. So yeah, I have gotten a lot of the props that I did sell off back. Like I got Crypt Keeper back, Stilts back, you know. I mean, I think he was really, and Darling Dolly too. I think this guy, like the guitarist, was really the only one that I never got back. But now I have the Singer, and if this goes well this year, which I'm pretty sure it will, then I will get more things like this in the future. But yeah, his box came a little bit rough, but hopefully it won't be an issue. All right, here's what you see as soon as you open the box. You can see some leg foam and all that, and then the instructions. So yeah, first thing coming out, we have some leg foam. Right here we have a leg pole with a control box, and then right here we have two other leg poles. Right here we have the shoulders, the head, and the microphone down there. Right here we have the tombstone that he stands on. Right here is what I assume to be some kind of hip piece. Right here we have some of the hip loop, or maybe all the hip loop, I don't know. And we also have the bass right here. And then finally we have the adapter and this one last little pole, which it looks like it's going to be somewhere in the middle. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Guys, got them all set up. Let's do them.
I love Halloween. Put another tree to the tree bag, baby. I love Halloween. Come on, it's your time to dance with me. You better fear the Reaper. I saw you standing there in the graveyard scene. Think it must have been around Halloween. Be mine until the end of time. I can tell it wouldn't be long till you were with me and me singing, I love Halloween. Put another treat in the treat bag, baby. I love Halloween. Come on, it's your time to dance with me.
Alright guys, so that was the Bluetooth Reaper Singer from Lowe's for the 2024 season. This guy is really, really nice. I love the tombstone added there. It definitely adds a lot to this character. Yeah, we definitely needed a singer. I'd like to get some more Reaper band members, depending on how much money I spend coming up, which it's looking like it's going to be a lot. So probably won't get another one this year. Maybe, though. I don't know. Crossing my fingers. But yeah, that was him. He is $250. I'd say that's worth it, honestly, for what you're getting. You're getting like Bluetooth. You can play anything from him. You can also just have that regular song. So yeah, he's awesome. I will leave a link in the description to buy him. I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.